How can I upload files asynchronously? I would like to upload a file asynchronously with jQuery. Example HTML. Example jQuery. Instead of the file being uploaded, I am only getting the file name. What can I do to fix this problem? With HTML5 you can make file uploads with Ajax and jQuery. Not only that, you can do file validations, name, size, and MIME type, or handle the progress event with the HTML5 progress tag, or a div. Recently I had to make a file uploader, but I didn't want to use Flash nor iframes or plugins, and after some research I came up with the solution, the HTML. First, you can do some validation if you want. For example, in the onChange event of the file. Now the Ajax. Submit with the buttons click. As you can see, with HTML5 and some research, file uploading not only becomes possible but super easy.